You are watching Rohi Support Program official YouTube channel. How to win scholarships with low CGPA, 2024 scholarships. Hello everyone, welcome to the Rohi Support Program. In today's vlog, we are going to be sharing with you some tips on how to win scholarships with low CGPA in 2024. There are many scholarships announced every year in almost every corner of the world. Winning scholarships with a low CGPA requires a strategic approach that highlights your strengths and potential beyond academics. I have seen many students with low CGPAs get scholarships. We have covered previously in detail about studying in Germany with a low CGPA. Many students followed the steps given in the article and they have secured admission easily to German universities. We will also share a list of fully funded scholarships for the 2024 intake to which you can apply these tips. Remember, a lower CGPA shouldn't discourage you from pursuing scholarships. Here are some tips to guide you. Tips to win scholarships with low CGPA. 1. Get work experience. So the first thing you want is to get some professional work experience in your professional field before applying for a scholarship. 2. Statement of purpose, SOP. Another thing is the statement of purpose. So, when you will be applying for any scholarship or admission in any university, make sure to mention the causes of low CGPA. That is why your GPA was low. And what you are going to be doing differently or why they should select you. It's very important to take time and make a strong statement of purpose. If you don't know how to make one, please read our article on how to make a perfect statement of purpose for scholarship. Link is in description. Once you have done it, make sure to show it to your friends, siblings, professors, or someone who knows you better and can help. 3. Reference letters. While applying for admission or a scholarship, they require at least 2 or 3 reference letters, also known as recommendation letters. When you approach a professor to write a recommendation letter for you, make sure to tell them that you have a low CGPA. Be honest with them. These professors will try to highlight some other things, your other academic achievements in their reference letters, your honors and awards, your leadership skills, creativity, your profile, language skills, or any other skills that can be helpful. 4. Interview. If you have been asked to appear in the interview, make sure that you are honest and straightforward and tell them the cause of low GPA and tell them your personal and professional goals. Make sure you are very positive and enthusiastic. And tell them that you wanted to go into that college, university. 5. English language test. Try to take IELTS, TOEFL or GRE, GMAT, if you are applying to the USA. Having a good IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT score can highly increase your chances if you have a low CGPA. 6. Stay positive. So with that being said, stay positive and believe in yourself. We have seen people with very low GPAs, such as 2.2 or 2.5, and they are studying in the USA, Germany, Europe, UK on a full scholarship. Scholarships for low GPA students in 2024. We upload scholarships daily. But here are some scholarships for low GPA applicants. KNB Indonesian Government Scholarship 2024-25, fully funded. UMS International Priority Scholarship 2024, Indonesia, fully funded. Taiwan ICDF Scholarship 2024, fully funded scholarship. Brunei Darussalam Government Scholarship 2024-25, fully funded. Erasmus Mundus Scholarship 2024, fully funded. Apply now. University of Trento Scholarship 2024, Italy, no IELTS. University of Padova Scholarship 2024 in Italy, no IELTS required. University of Genova Scholarship 2024-25, Italy, without IELTS. University of Genova Scholarship 2024-25, Italy, without IELTS. University of Camerino Scholarship 2024-25, Italy, without IELTS. Everyone can find detail and application process to visit Opportunities Hub at www.rohisupportprogram.com.